Today on Mom to Mom, we've got a healthy snack for that sweet tooth. Today we are making a healthy Snickers. Once I hit a certain age, I wanted to find some things that was kind of low in calories and in sugar content. And my friend actually gave me this idea, and it really just involves bananas, peanut butter, zero sugar caramel, zero sugar syrup, and then some peanuts. And a couple of hours and you've got your healthy little snack. So why don't we put these together so you can see just how yummy they are. First, you're gonna take your banana and kind of just cut it in half, and then you're going to fourth the banana. So once you do that, I like to stick them in the refrigerator because the bananas tend to be a little slimy. Stick them in there for about 10 minutes, get them kind of cooler. Once you pull them out, then you're going to put your peanut butter on there, your all natural peanut butter. Spread that out, then put at least 3 little peanuts on there. Then you're going to put your caramel on top, and then your Hershey's syrup on top of that. Once you've completed all those, you put them on your pan and your parchment paper, stick those in the refrigerator for about 2 hours, then they're ready to go. To me, it's a nice little treat. It's kind of cooler, so it kind of seems like a ice cream type thing, and it's very low in calorie and sugar content, which is a plus. If you've got any wonderful ideas on snacks, low calorie snacks, we'd love to hear about it. You can message us on our Mom to Mom Facebook page, and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.
Mom to Mom is brought to you by Perspectives, Paint Wallpaper Window Treatments and Upholstery, and by Community Action Council.